Hi. Oh, hold on. Okay, that's better. Hey, guess what? It's a vlog day. Today I'm going to Knott's Berry Farm for the Boysenberry Festival because it's gonna end in like a week, and who doesn't like to put things off to the last minute? But first, let me make sure that I have everything. Got my backpack in case it gets a little cold. Battery charger, cable to charge with, water, and my phone, which is right there. Yeah, so it looks like I have everything. Let's go to some theme parks. We parked, and I parked right next to Soak City because it's a little busy today. Also, this pathway that leads from Soak City to Knott's has some pretty cool views. Got a lake on this side. I like walking by this building. I don't know what it is, but it's neat. Then there's this statue. And there's the wooden roller coaster. What is it, Ghost Rider? Hey, I just noticed that the doors are open. I'm gonna walk in. I've never been in here.
The tolling of the State House bell has summoned you and the members of the Second Continental Congress to assemble here in the Pennsylvania State House on this day, early July, 1776, to debate the issue of our independence from England.
So that was neat and unexpected. Yeah, I've never seen that place open until today. So, hey, good day so far. Just went through security and bam, there it is. So first we have the Boysenberry mango lemonade with mint. I really like that. It's really good. It's a little sweet, but it's refreshing at the same time. Next we have the veggie chili. And I will say that it's good, except it's more of a soup than a chili. It's very watery, but the flavor is there. So that's 2 down, 4 more samplers to go. Samples.
Howdy, folks. This here is old Polecat Mahoney, and I am delighted to take you into the famous Calico Mine, the richest gold strike this side of the Mississippi. The miner's gone and dug his pick right down into old Mother Earth, only to have a blast of steaming hot mud erupt in his face. The quickest way to reach every level of the mine. That's the world famous Calico Mine glory hole. Inside one of the richest gold strikes.
And this is the part where I stopped recording. I was busy having fun with friends, and I totally forgot that I was supposed to vlog. But yeah. Hey, if you like this kind of content and want me to make more vlogs, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section. Is that what it is? And subscribe. And what else do they say? Give me a thumbs up. Tell your friends. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.